Have you ever wondered if there exists a company that transcends the traditional boundaries of business, embodying a universe of opportunity, innovation, and unity? Welcome to ONPASSIVE, a groundbreaking company as universal as the letter O, symbolizing the oxygen we breathe and the unity that connects us all. ONPASSIVE is more than just a business, it is a global community. It unites people from all walks of life, bridging nations and races under a shared vision of ambition and success. Imagine a company that not only envisions the future, but actively brings it closer through cutting-edge solutions and groundbreaking innovation. What once seemed unattainable is now within reach, thanks to ONPASSIVE's unique and advanced products. At the heart of ONPASSIVE lies its platform, a vibrant and magnetic hub of progress and opportunity. It's not just a website, but a radiant beacon drawing individuals toward a brighter, more successful future. Each interaction with ONPASSIVE creates lasting, vibrant memories, as enduring as a cherished photograph. This vision would not be possible without the leadership of Mr. Ash, a true visionary whose guidance and innovation continue to inspire and propel ONPASSIVE forward. Through his leadership, ONPASSIVE stands as a symbol of what can be achieved when opportunity, unity, and innovation come together. Join ONPASSIVE today and become part of a legacy that's redefining what's possible in the world of business and beyond. ONPASSIVE, where dreams meet reality and the future becomes today. Welcome to ONPASSIVE, a community where kindness meets innovation and dreams are nurtured into reality. Here you'll find a family of individuals united by a shared vision, led by remarkable figures like Mr. Peter and Mr. Ash. Their compassion and humanity inspire a culture of support and collaboration, where challenges become stepping stones towards success. Imagine a space where, even in the face of adversity, there's always a hand to guide you, a voice to encourage you, and a heart to understand you. This is the essence of ONPASSIVE. In the O-Connect Hall, feel the energy of a vibrant community eager to uplift and inspire. Founders here are not just leaders. They are mentors, sharing knowledge and offering unwavering support. At the heart of ONPASSIVE lies the immense humanity of Mr. Ash, a leader whose sincerity touches every corner of this community. Under his guidance, innovation flourishes and unity prevails, creating an unparalleled environment for growth and achievement. ONPASSIVE is more than just a platform. It's a home, a place where your aspirations are embraced, your potential is realized, and your success is celebrated as a collective triumph. Join us on this extraordinary journey where innovation meets unity, and together let's create an unrepeatable legacy. Welcome to ONPASSIVE, where the future is shaped by kindness, support, and shared dreams.